How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to week number 10 in the year 2024 of our trading journey. And the 2 points I want to talk about today is first, I want to talk to you about contract rollovers if you're brand new to trading the futures market. And second, I want to go through my performance this week so far on our Apex funded account. But before we get started, just as a disclaimer, this is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decision. So the futures contracts that we're trading, which is the index futures, are actually quarterly, and the existing one that we're trading right now, which is the age, will expire on March 14th. Really expires on March 15th, but I think for Thinkorswim, they're showing the liquidation here as Thursday the 14th. Normally, the system will actually roll it over on the 7th, Thursday the 7th. However, this week, that did not occur. It actually just rolled over after the market closed today, the 8th on Friday. And how that is actually determined is by the volume. So when we look here on all the other futures contracts for the year, you can see that there are different letters for it. The H is the one that expired in March. The M is what's going to expire in June. U is what's going to expire in September, and Z is what's going to expire in December. And when trading this, it's really important to look at the volume, especially on rollover. So far, it was the existing one, which is the March contract, that had the most volume. However, if you look here, they changed the active one to the M24. So now automatically on Thinkorswim, that automatic rollover has occurred. So you should now be seeing more volume on the June contract starting next week. So that's something to pay attention to. You should really just trade the one with more volume because you need liquidity to be able to go in and out of the trade. So that's one very important fact that you should be aware of, because if you're new to futures trading, you're probably wondering, wait a second, why are different charts showing me different values? Anyway, hope that information was pretty helpful for you, and good luck with the upcoming contract rollover next week. Next, I just want to share my performance and how I'm doing on my funded account. And if you're following me on YouTube, if you don't get the notifications, I actually post my results on the community tab on YouTube. If you scroll down there, let's say example for today, this was our performance for the day. You can see here that I do have one PA account, and that PA account, we are now at $706.50 in profit, and that is withdrawable once we reach $1,600. So once it reach a profit of $1,600, I can withdraw up to $1,500, which is not really what is recommended because you need that buffer to ensure that you don't blow up the account. So I have one PA there. And then you will notice that I started 3 more evaluation accounts with Apex. So I have 3 right here. And with those, it's brand new. You see that the balance is $222.60. And with that account, I need to reach a profit of $1,500. So essentially, we need to get to $26,500. And at that point, that evaluation account will become a performance account. And also with Top Step, I sort of put it in a back burner because I've been focusing on the PA because it's the actual money. But with my Top Step account here, I failed it last night actually, so I had to do a reset. And now our balance at $50,075. And with this one, it's a $50,000 account, and I need to pretty much reach a profit of $3,000 before this Top Step Combine account becomes an XFA, which is an Express Funded account. So that's the breakdown there. And next, I want to show you the actual proof from the Apex Trader Funding website on how we're doing. So what I'm showing here is the summary page on the Apex Trader Funding website. And I have blurred my account number because that's private. However, something that I'm always transparent about with this journey is showing you what account number I'm at. So with PA, you can see that it's at account 17. So that means that I have failed 16 other PAs previously before this. And you can see in my evaluation accounts, yes, I'm already at 444 evaluation accounts that have gone through. So you can do the math on how much I've spent so far. I've disclosed that in the past, but I'd rather disclose it again when the numbers are a little better. But just going through our actual PA, you can see here our profit, as I mentioned, was a little above $700. We are on day number 5. And you need a minimum of 10 trading days before you are able to withdraw the account. So we need to be able to maintain this in good standing without failing, so we can then withdraw some money from it, and that is the ultimate goal. Above here is the performance for the week. We can see that I essentially had just one red day on day number 1. So you can see here, this is the 0 line. And I'm happy with the consistency, more or less. Roughly about $200 in day 2, a little above $300 in day 3, about $70 in day 4, and today day 5 is just a little above $200. So out of the 5 trading days this week, 4 green days, 1 red day, and that got us to about $707 for one account. So I'm happy with that, and hopefully we can continue this, and the slow goal actually getting to 20 performance accounts. That's the goal still, and I failed a lot, but what I like to tell myself, you only fail if you stop trying, right? But anyway, that's my content for the week. Thank you for tuning in. Give me some comment feedback on any other topics that you'd like to see or for me to cover. But I really appreciate all the support y'all give my channel. It's really great to be able to chat with some traders, get to know each other, and relate to someone, right? I'm not a professional in any sense. I'm not even super successful in any sense. I'm just your average Joe, trying to trade and trying to make a living out of this. All right, see y'all on the next one. Have a good one.